Australia is such a welcoming place to come. We love having people here because we really are a long way from everywhere. But it's like a beautiful piece of ancient nature here that you won't see anywhere else in the world. Our animals are unique. G'day, I'm Janine Duffy from Echidna Walkabout. I'm the owner and chief koala researcher. We call it conservation travel. So we figure if you're going to a place to see the animals, which a lot of people want to do, you may as well help them while you're there. At the end of 2019, the start of 2020, we had the worst bushfires in human history here in Australia in Koala Habitat. At the moment, it's really important to do post-bushfire survey work, so to see what animals are now coming back into the areas that suffered from the bushfires. So they're out there with the guide, they see something, they say, "Oh, what is that? Is that thing we're looking for?" And you go, "Yeah, that's it." It's easy and it's fun, and guests on tour get to be part of it, and it enriches their travel experience enormously. After the bushfires, we've started a project to plant trees in an area adjacent to where the bushfires were. So behind me you can see tree planting going on. So the little green boxes are tree guards. So these are protecting the little baby tree while it's young. This is something that we would love tourists to come and help us do. I mean, how would a traveller feel if they planted a tree here next year and then in 4 years came back, saw that tree with a koala in it, knowing that they helped save this species? I mean, oh, I'm tearing up now. These fires were the worst the world has ever seen. There has never been interest in koalas worldwide like there is now. We have the perfect opportunity to really sort this out, to really save koalas now that we've got so much international and Australian focus. I've been to a lot of places and I've never seen anywhere as pretty and gorgeous as Australia. Travellers are so welcome here. We love having people here, and we love it when you can come and help our wildlife. We're going to need you.